Make a great choice today with the 2020 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, speed control, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.